Weekly International Defense News. US increases military assets in the Indo-Pacific to counter China. Russia reveals cutting-edge stealth drones at its military expo. India and Saudi Arabia sign a landmark defense cooperation pact. NATO unveils its Arctic strategy to counter Russia and China. Philippines finalizes BrahMos missile deal with India. UK delivers Challenger 2 tanks to bolster Ukraine's counteroffensive. Australia announces nuclear submarine project under AUKUS Pact. Chinese J-20 stealth fighters patrol the Taiwan Strait. EU expands military training for Ukrainian forces. South Korea launches massive naval drills in response to North Korea. The United States has announced plans to deploy additional troops and naval assets to the Indo-Pacific region. This move comes amid growing concerns over China's activities in the South China Sea and the Taiwan Strait. The Pentagon has also confirmed enhanced collaboration with allies like Japan, South Korea, and the Philippines to strengthen regional security. How will this shift impact the balance of power in Asia? Russia has revealed a new generation of stealth drones during its annual military expo in Moscow. These drones, designed for reconnaissance and combat roles, are expected to bolster Russia's capabilities in Ukraine and beyond. Reports suggest these drones are equipped with AI-driven navigation and can evade sophisticated air defense systems. This raises questions about the future of drone warfare. India and Saudi Arabia have signed a new defense cooperation pact, focusing on intelligence sharing, joint exercises, and technology transfer. This agreement marks a significant step in their strategic partnership, with India's defense exports potentially benefiting. Meanwhile, experts are discussing the implications of this collaboration on regional geopolitics in the Middle East. NATO has unveiled its first comprehensive Arctic strategy to counter growing Russian and Chinese activities in the region. The alliance plans to establish new bases and enhance surveillance capabilities to secure this strategically vital area. Analysts believe the Arctic could emerge as the next major geopolitical flashpoint. Next, will this strategy provoke a stronger Russian response? The Philippines has finalized a deal with India to acquire BrahMos supersonic cruise missiles. This marks a significant milestone in enhancing the country's coastal defense capabilities. The first batch of missiles is expected to be delivered in 2025, with plans to deploy them strategically across the archipelago. The UK has delivered its promised Challenger 2 tanks to Ukraine as part of ongoing military aid. Ukrainian forces are reportedly integrating these advanced tanks into their counteroffensive against Russian forces. The question remains, will this support change the dynamics on the battlefield? Australia has announced a multi-billion-dollar investment in its submarine fleet under the AUKUS Pact with the United States and the United Kingdom. The project aims to deliver nuclear-powered submarines by the 2030s, significantly enhancing Australia's maritime capabilities. Experts highlight the potential impact on power dynamics in the Pacific. China has intensified its air operations near Taiwan, deploying J-20 stealth fighters for regular patrols. This move underscores Beijing's growing assertiveness and serves as a reminder of the escalating tensions in the region. Taiwan, meanwhile, is ramping up its defense procurement, including United States F-16Vs and missile systems. The European Union has pledged to train an additional 40,000 Ukrainian soldiers under its military assistance program. This initiative is part of broader efforts to support Ukraine against Russia's ongoing aggression. The training will focus on advanced weapon systems and battlefield tactics. South Korea has launched one of its largest ever naval exercises, involving over 20 ships, submarines, and aircraft. These drills are a response to North Korea's recent missile launches and aim to enhance interoperability with allied forces, including the United States. Will this lead to heightened tensions on the Korean peninsula?